If your Android phone suddenly starts zooming in or talking about everything, don't worry. Here's a quick fix. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So as always, let's start from the beginning. First, go to your phone settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down. Then go to General Management. After entering General Management, scroll down again and find the Reset option. Then press on it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you a setting that only resets accessibility settings. Your data and other stuff won't be deleted. Now here, make sure to select the Reset Accessibility Settings option. Resetting accessibility settings can fix issues like accidentally enabling TalkBack or Zoom. It restores all accessibility features to default, turning off anything you may have turned on by mistake. In the Accessibility Settings reset screen, press the Reset Settings button. It might ask you for your PIN or password. Just enter it, and your accessibility settings will be reset. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.